So, step one, correct mantra. बोलिए.
सबसे पहले मंत्र जब करेक्ट होना चाहिए, सही होना चाहिए.
Then the full benefit is there. Kali, what is that? Kali Kama Shanashanam?
हरे नाम हरे नाम हरे.
No, that's another verse. This is Brahma meeting with Narada Muni. He said, how will people be saved in the Kali Yuga? Kali Santara Upanishad, different one. He says, Kali Kama Shanashanam. Iti Sodashika Namnam. So this 16 names, 32 syllables. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. Ma. It's not Ma, Hare Rama, Ma. Ma like mug, or mug. Oh, mug. Namaste. Rama. This is correct. So first, get the right exact sound. I can tell. You say I understood after Gurudev corrected me. I started chanting correct Mahamantra. My whole experience of Krishna changed. I had so much anubhav of Krishna by proper chanting of Akshar. And then I understood there's power. There's so much. Nam Namakari Bahuda Nija Sarva Shakti. Then I understood the power of the mantra. Sixth canto Bhagavatam, Srimad Bhagavatam, sixth canto, Twasta is doing yajna. He chants a mantra because Indra killed Twasta's son. So then Twasta is doing yajna. I want to make demon that will kill Indra. But he chanted the mantra wrong. Ek akshara missing. So then Britrasura appeared. Sixth canto Bhagavatam. Param Bhakta, but Britrasura, he's fighting Indra. He's supposed to kill Indra. Indra killed him. Dadichi Muni's bones in a vidyut, Bolye. That's the proof in sixth canto. Sixth canto talks about Ajamil, and sixth canto talks about Britrasura. So Ajamil's teaching about taking the name without aparad, how much power. And this is teaching the correct mantra has to be correct, otherwise opposite effect.